Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. Whenever you create an Azure Data Lake Analytics account, you get an USQL Catalog along with it. So let's explore what is USQL Catalog in this video. USQL Catalog is the way that your USQL organizes code and data for reuse. So each ADLA account, whenever you create an ADLA account, you get one USQL catalog. Okay, and each USQL catalog is nothing but a list of databases similar to what you would do in SQL Server. So each USQL catalog has one or more databases, and each catalog has a master database which is by default, and if you want you can go ahead and create many user related databases. The data, whatever data you have, you can either store it in Data Lake Store or you can store it within the USQL catalog as well. So the data is stored in tables, whereas the code or the reusable code is stored in views, table valued functions and store procedures. Thank you.